So in conclusion, a concept map and a mind map are the exact same thing.
That's not true. Get out of here, Matt! Concept maps are a unique and powerful tool. In this video, we'll use Miro to create a concept map about concept maps. And along the way, we'll cover what a concept map is, when to use it over a mind map, and final ideas for making it visual. So what is a concept map? Let's grab a sticky note and type concept map. We can pull on its side to make it large. Next, we'll grab a shape and type are composed of. Then we'll change it to have a dotted line border. Okay, so what are concept maps composed of? We'll grab another sticky note. Concept maps are composed of a main topic, lines, nodes, and something called linking words. As we select our sticky notes at the top, we can click on the blue dot to have a line connect our two nodes. We can also click and drag on a blue dot to manually dictate how to connect the two nodes. By all accounts, we already have a complete concept map. We have a main topic. These sticky notes are our nodes, which are connected with lines and a linking word. Linking words are the main difference between concept maps and mind maps. Linking words force us to describe the specific relationship between two nodes and therefore create a more detailed map of our topic. Let's add some information about linking words to our concept map. We'll hold Option or Alt on our keyboard and drag on this shape to create another. And then do the same thing for a sticky note. Concept maps are different than mind maps. Click the blue dots to connect everything. The main difference is that mind maps don't have linking words. So as our map takes shape, you can start to see the importance of the linking words. We can add some examples of linking words to our concept map. Some example linking words are includes, promotes, measures, is opposite to, drives, combines with, and so many more. If we ever get stuck when building our map, we could try looking at a list of linking words to spark new ideas. Okay, moving on. When should we use a mind map versus a concept map? Mind maps are better for mapping large concepts and quick brainstorming. Concept maps can generate new insights, as well as a shareable diagram. New insights can include things like gaps or loopholes, as well as inconsistencies in our understanding. All right, our map is looking good. We just need some final touches. Click and drag to select all the sticky notes. Click Filter, and then Sticky Note. We can change the color of the stickies all at once. Tags can be helpful in adding clarifying information to sticky notes. Finally, shapes, images, and icons can bring our diagram to life if we're really looking to impress.